Mr. Kundra, what are the benefits of being a member of iSupply?
As I already said, if I look from the buyer perspective, the buyer has an advantage that its sourcing time gets reduced because he gets the customized filters or the searches from where he gets engaged with the supplier, and he knows those are trusted factories because Intertek as a basic DNA is trust. So that is from the part of the buyer. From the benefit for the supplier, one, he gets a visibility to the global buyers. He can send promotional messages to them to get engaged with them in one go. His cost or audit fatigue get reduced because he has a trusted profile on the platform. That's it.
Is it necessary to complete the whole profile?
Yes. Why it is important to have the complete profile is because the very nature by which the priority of the organizations appear after the customized search by the buyer is based on a weighted average of profile completeness and the validated marks. So he has a better probability of appearing in the priority if his profile is better and nicely made.
What are the basic charges to be paid?
Oh, that's a very, very relevant question. Everybody asks about it. See, for a supplier registration, since we want more and more people to come on the board, it is 15,000 rupees per annum. For the validation part of it, since it's a one-time activity, it is 70,000, which happens only once. And these are all living profiles. When I say living profiles, this means that all the certificates with their validity and everything is kept up to date on the platform. There is an auto email alert facility which goes to any of the suppliers at least 3 months in advance before the expiry of any certificate. So then the responsibility of updating the profiles remains with us from the platform. If the renewed certificate is not received, the attribute from the platform would go.
What are the other services iSupply offering to them?
Intertek, as already said, is from the tech business. When we are talking of this platform, as you asked me whether it is good to fill the complete profile, we also have one of the features in the platform, how to improve your profile. So when a supplier looks at how does he improve his profile, he also looks at various capacity building tools which he has to do per se. Any organization which is into Europe or US, social compliance is a major issue. So if he has a particular certificate in terms of Intertek tools like workplace condition assessment, if he gets them, Intertek also enables those organizations to become globally competitive by offering these capacity building tools. They could be either ISO 9000, 14000, 18001, SA 8000, WCS customized tools, SQP, TGI as an environmental sustainability tool. So we do a lot of testing. So we could enable them in terms of product safeties, in terms of CE marking if it is required for their profile, and food, if it's a food client, he looks at HACCP or 22,000 in that domain. If it's an electrical client, he looks at ETL mark. So we also enable the organizations in their capacity building tools.
How iSupply is different from other B2B portals like IndiaMart, Alibaba, etc.?
iSupply initiative is one of the only platform which provides with the verified buyers on the platform, which are already there, as well as validated information of the suppliers. It's a sourcing tool. So when I talk of validation here, all the information which comes is already trusted because Intertek as a brand can be trusted. It's actually a trust brand which enables the trust deficit between the buyer and the seller. Moreover, the best part is it provides the customized filters to the buyers to search those so that they can go to the best fit organization.
And could you explain a little bit about the process involved?
The process is very simple. There is a supplier registration form. You could go even online to check that up on isi-supplier.com. Otherwise, you can get engaged with Intertek any of the representative. There is a supplier registration form which you need to fill. Once you send it to us, we send you a username, password. You log on to isisupplier.com. You put in the username, password, get registered. You would have 65 questions, answer, fill in their profiles, and you are off your own. That's how it is. Last but not the least, I would like to add that you would benefit from this platform also by working on it yourself as well, because you need to work on the platform to take the best out of the platform.
Anything more you would like to share?
No, I would just like to say enjoy global sourcing, and I would like to have as many people on board so that Intertech, with its global footprints of having as many buyers on the platform, would like to has that endeavor to take this step forward in getting the Indians, SMEs, MSMEs to work globally, as well as help them in their capacity building. That's it.
Thank you very much and all the best.
Thank you.